Could a mere tweet or post change the course of your day or even your life? In the grand scheme of things, is the impact of social media on our lives a blessing or a curse? As we journey through the labyrinth of social media's effects, we'll find ourselves standing at the crossroads of positive and negative impacts. On the one hand, social media platforms serve as a beacon of connectivity, a melting pot of cultures, ideas, and expressions. They've transformed the way we communicate, enabling us to reach out to people across the globe with just a few taps on a screen. They've become platforms for social activism, enabling us to rally around causes that matter, from climate change to human rights. They've even given birth to new forms of entrepreneurship, providing a stage for small businesses to flourish and reach a global audience. Yet, on the other side of the coin, social media also holds a darker side. It can be a breeding ground for cyberbullying and hate speech, causing distress and harm to many. It can fuel unrealistic expectations and comparisons, leading to issues such as low self-esteem and mental health problems. It has also been criticized for spreading misinformation and fake news, which can have serious real-world consequences. Moreover, the addictive nature of social media can lead to unhealthy habits and behaviors. The constant need for validation through likes, shares, and comments can become an obsession, disrupting our daily lives and relationships. To navigate the social media landscape, it's crucial to strike a balance. While it's a powerful tool that can enrich our lives, it's equally important to use it responsibly and be mindful of its potential pitfalls. In summary, social media has revolutionized the way we connect and communicate, opening doors to global conversations, social activism, and new business opportunities. However, it's also a double-edged sword with its potential to foster negativity, spread misinformation, and lead to unhealthy obsessions. Striking a balance and using these platforms responsibly is the key to harnessing their power while mitigating their potential harm. So, as you scroll through your feed or craft your next post, remember the power that social media holds. It's not just about sharing a snapshot of your life or catching up on the latest trends. It's a tool that can change lives for better or for worse.